Hey, what's up guys? So welcome back. So today we're driving the NA around. I haven't really made too many videos of this car yet, but I just been dying to do this, you know, get out, go for a drive, talk about everything. And we're at a random park out here in AZ, but you know, we're gonna go for a drive. I wanted to test out my GoPro settings too. So I wanted to test with the top up and then do top down with the wind mic on. So right now it's in stereo audio. So yeah, let's go and see. So this car is relatively stock. I'm probably gonna leave it relatively stock. You know, I got some new tires, front lip, and you know, brakes. Obviously that's like the first thing I did. And I did the aluminum radiator because out here it's super hot in the summer months. So aluminum radiator with the low temp thermostat is the way to go in these hotter seasons. But right now it's chilly, it's nice, it feels good. Just got a little jacket on, and let's go. So I got the heater on, and and that's about it. So we have what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, so guys, we got the heater on, and has us nice and cozy. And this car comes with you know, all the little creature comforts, power steering, power windows, as you can see. That's pretty cool. And cruise control, which is random. Cruise control, whoever thought would use cruise control in this type of car. All right, so we're setting off here. Yeah guys, I love this car, man. I had a 2014 GT86 and I fucking sold it, man. And you know, I like that car. I really wanted that car really bad when it came out. Come on, damn it, where the fuck did they come from? Fucking van, they must have like skipped the light. I was literally good. All right, we're gonna go this way. Yeah, 2014 GR86, and sold it. And when I bought this car filled that void. Really did. Only thing I wish this car had was honestly a limited slip differential and just a little bit better suspension. But I don't mind this car stock, you know. The stock suspension is fine. I got KYBs in the back rear, so I don't know if the rear suspension was really rough. I don't know, but these KYBs on here are solid, man. I love it. This car doesn't really bounce at all. It vibrates. You hit a bump, it's like so it has them vibrations and stuff, but it's still great, man. It's just a good night to go on a cruise, so I figured let's do it, guys. You know, let's chat, let's talk. Yeah, man, I don't know, it's something that's perfect about this car. I don't know if it's the weight, the lightness, or if it's just a 4-cylinder engine that's really reliable, man. Something about knowing that you're good even when you push it, it makes you happy. I'm gonna turn around because this street ends and I don't want to go on this side of town. Yeah, but with the limited slip I figured I would get better takeoff and you know, stuff like that. But open diff, it's all right. Once you get going, it's fine, but I prefer the limited slip differential. Yeah, but the 1.6, guys, I love the 1.6 because it's so simple. It's 4-cylinder twin cam, and you can, I don't know, the block, I guess the block was built for a turbo, that's what they say, but I like having it in third gear and just having it screaming, and I'm just sitting on it, you know, with the RPMs at 4,000, just chilling. And even in fourth gear, you know, fourth gear, you can just leave it in fourth, literally. If you're not on the highway just fucking leave it in 4th gear. You know, this thing is just a fucking fun, unless you're in like heavy traffic. But like this, dude, I'm chilling in 4th, man. Yeah, so this car has like, you know, I had to fix the AC, and luckily it was just like a little bolt, like a bolt that was loose. It was called like a compressor valve or something like that. So that thing got loose, and I was able to really, I'm sorry, this is new to me. Okay, I'm not used to having a camera smacked in my face while I'm driving. So I have these brain fart moments where I'm focusing on the road. But don't hate me for that. I'll get better at this. Okay, so yeah, it was called a compressor relief valve. And it was like 13 bucks. So I bought the little part, took it to an AC shop, and they changed it. And look at this shit. Fuckers. I'm going to 3rd. Let's go. Hate motherfuckers that do that. They hog both lanes for what? You're going fucking 10 miles an hour in the left lane, the fast lane, the lane for passing traffic. That's what the left lane is for. If you are chilling, if you're on your phone, if you're eating cheeseburgers, get in the right lane. Get in the right lane. But yeah, guys, so that fixed the AC. So now I have AC, which I haven't been able to use it yet. But like I said, this car is still, you know, work in progress for me. You know, I'm glad I got one, a decent one. Paint looks decent. I think it got repainted though, and the body's decent. There's no damage on the body. There's like, I think there's like one ding, a couple rock chips, but other than that, that's about it. And everything feels solid, man. Even has the original owner's manual stuff. I like little stuff like that, you know. So, you know, I like to keep my shit really clean. And like I said, I'm probably gonna leave this car closer to stock than not. You know, I do want to go to the track. I do want to have a car where I can modify a little bit and just do my own taste. But this car, I feel like it really doesn't need it. You know, I'm just gonna do my own thing with this car and just keep it as stock as I can, and do little stuff like suspension, get it to handle better, and that's it, man. I really don't need anything else. You know, I'm happy with how this car is. I really do enjoy this car that much, and it feels great. So, but yeah, this is my first time doing this, so I'm new to this, cruising around and doing this. But I've been wanting to do it because, you know, I see guys like Tedward and the Topher and all them fucking guys that be driving around with GoPros strapped to their heads. I love those videos. I watch them all the time. So, you know, and I felt like that's my calling. I'm like, dude, I want to do that. That's a goal of mine. I really do. But I know I'm not going to be able to, starting off, drive other people's cars, go to these events and you know, drive this person's car, that person's car, and you know, I don't even know anybody out here that lives out here. So I figured, fuck it, I'll just do it on my own. I'll get my own little car and I'll do that. So the Miata is perfect for that. You know, despite the fact that I've been wanting one, you know, this car is literally perfect for these type of videos. Drive and you cruise. But yeah, guys, it's just been a blast, man. I've been really blessed to be able to keep the D21 and, you know, have this as a, you know, I guess backup, weekender, whatever you want to call it. Whew, that was a fucking cop. That scared the shit out of me. Looked like he was turning around. Imagine getting pulled over with this shit on your head. Like, yo, what the fuck are you doing? I was driving. Yeah, you didn't use your blinker, but, you know, what the fuck is this shit on your face? I'm like, oh, man, I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm sorry. I don't know what I would say. I'd probably be like, yo, this is my dash cam. Like, I don't have a dash cam mount. There's nowhere to mount a dash cam. This car is old. What do you want me to do? This is my dash cam. This is how I stay safe. I would probably say some shit like that. All right, guys, I feel like we can go top down now, but I gotta stop, switch the settings. Come on, damn it! I was on the clutch a little bit too long there. Yeah, I gotta stop, switch the settings, get back on the road, then we can do top down. And I hope that it's not too windy, and I hope you'll be able to hear me just as good as you can now. But if you can't, then yeah, just blame the fucking wind. All right, it's dark as fuck over here. This is probably a bad idea to go top down over here in a bank parking lot in this car. Let's see. This will get by under some light. This thing about Arizona, it's fucking dark, man. It's really scary when you're driving, because if there's shit on the road, you can just hit it. All right, guys, let's